Hello, hello! Today just hunting for some good shots, going around Amed because today is like a day off. I would like to have a busy day, but it's day off just because simply nothing else to do. Yesterday we were in Bedugul, got a really interesting shots and interesting footage. Today going around and doing drone shots, and I never been filming these places because previously I didn't know about these places that you can come up here and do it all with a drone. So new places, and now I'm trying to go around all these places and just get the new shots. Next place I'm going to do is the Berina area. I did one episode about that, but I never had any drone shots. That's what I just filmed. Berina is one of my favorite places for the rice beds. Definitely, it's really close. Everybody's who coming to Amed, they passing by that place, and it's just simply beautiful. There's one good thing about the drone: you don't have to run all around all these pads up and down just to get a good shot. That's kind of advantage of the drone. Yeah, so now I can just simply find some good place where to launch it and just simply go. Yeah, and I can cover a bigger area because in some places you cannot go just because simply there is no trail, and I don't want to destroy all this fields and harvest. Just simply I want to get the shot. That's the thing.
Ke sana jalan masih.
Okay. So
kalau kembali
sana.
Di sana turun ya. Sana turun di jalan. Langsung ke sana.
Okay. I want to get on the other side, but I have no idea how to get there. The lady told me to come here. first time I'm on this side. I think it's a good place to fly a drone. Pretty safe, all open. Because if you fly from the road, you're hello. Permisi. You are quite far away from your drone. You have to fly it out really far, and there's always a risk. There is a wind, it will never come back, but from here it looks good. Just for everyone, so it's about 20 episodes left to this 1 year everyday video challenge. For example, at the moment I'm talking about the Berina rice pads, but I've been making already a video about it previously. I don't know, it was like I think it was February. Probably this footage will be more interesting just because simply I will have also drone footage. Go back and check them out. First of all, it will help me to develop this channel, to get more subscribers, because then it will be, this algorithm will catch it up. So if you have a time and willing, please go through all these old videos, and I'm pretty sure you will find some really interesting stuff which you missed just because you joined this channel later than maybe you joined it only this year, why I started already in August last year. By the way, thank you very much, Zhenya, for the drone. Really appreciate. So perfectly, I would like to have 360 camera, GoPro, normal camera, and also drone. So all these 300 plus episodes is filmed only with one single GoPro. I think the quality is still really okay. Everyone who's planning to do any videos, it's more about how you see the things, and with that footage what you have, what story you're going to tell. I think that's the most important. Don't focus on perfection. You have to do many videos to understand the small details, because we can watch the tutorials and we can like a kind of learn from others, but you personally have to go through all this experience, and only then you will understand. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.